Welcome, boys and girls, friends, enemies. How the devil are you? Chaos. We've had a week of banging, grinding, chiseling, you name it. I think we've had it this week. All in the name of Superfast Broadband. Now there is the anomaly. They're giving us Superfast Broadband. Giving us? We know that's not true. I live in a cul-de-sac of mainly elderly. It is a retirement area. And of the 20 neighbours I know, 3 don't even have internet. They're not interested. They're just not bothered. The rest, do a bit of tinkering on the internet. Some watch the occasional bit of YouTube, like myself. And the speeds are pretty favourable round our way. 50-60 meg down and 15-20 meg up. Perfect. Don't need any more. Internet's affordable. But we know what's going to happen, don't we? As soon as that work is completed and the wiring's all in place, our broadband will, unfortunately, without any sort of reason, will slow down, and they'll start pushing us deals for Superfast. And at the end of a year, that deal will suddenly double, if not more. We are all being ripped off. We have in our community very good, adequate internet. We're close to the main exchange. We never get glitches, we don't get buffering. We don't have a problem. But they're going to force us to pay more to have something that none of us actually need. I've had quite a few words with different people. Nobody's a gamer. We're all bemused, all of us. They're spending thousands upon thousands of pounds digging up all the pavements, putting channels to outside our front doors, tarmacking, making good. It befuddles me. I genuinely cannot understand why we need it. Now Tollsbury here, I know for a fact, has slightly slower speed because they're that much further from the exchange, and they don't have a problem. They still don't have a problem, so they're in the 40s. I don't know of anybody that suffers buffering. There is one guy down here who does one of these war game things, works at a local shop, and he says no problem. Don't you want Superfast? I says, well yeah, if they put it in I'll have it. But isn't that the thing? If they put it in I'll have it. Isn't that what they're selling us? Did you have recent broadband upgrade? And what did it cost you? Was there a sudden price hike? Is it far more expensive? Well, I'm back. But that goes into other things as well, doesn't it? I've just been to put some fuel in and the petrol station is closed. No reason, just bollards and closed. Next nearest one with decent fuel and a decent price, 6 miles away. Now, when I was younger, there were petrol stations every bloody where. Little village ones, every village had a petrol station. Now, no. You either go to a big supermarket, and I don't like supermarket fuel. I don't know where they get it from, but it's pretty crappy fuel. It always makes my bikes and cars run like a one-legged turtle. So I go for no makes. Nah, my choice. So I've now got to do 6 miles to fill up, whereas before, if there hadn't been one in Tiptree, I could have popped to that one in Tolsbury. He uses cheap fuel, but it's a get out. That's only 2.5 miles. Is the world really a better place, guys? What do I think destroyed it? Well, you could say overpopulation, but a lot of it is advertising, telling you must have a new car every 2 years, and the latest washing machine, and buy the latest, most expensive washing fluids. That and a combination of social media, where everybody's trying to be better than everybody else. You've all been to that group of people. There's always that one who knows everything, done everything, been everywhere, far better than you or I. And that's the internet summed up. So from Superfast broadband to social media, screwing with us. Yeah. Now I have a choice up here. Do I go left and go up to Whittam, or do I go right and go to Marks Tay? I'm not sure Whittam's got the best fuel stations. Marks Tay's got a Shell, be it ever so slightly more expensive, but not that much. Not that's going to make a difference to my size tank. So, H-old Marks Tay it is. Be a ride, won't it? On that thunked, I'll leave you guys to be happy. Smile at the miserable buggers. Stay safe.